Hello, this is the JSCause tutorial from JSCause.org by 8th Jouster. This tutorial is comprised of 8 videos, this introductory one plus our 7 lessons. In this tutorial, you will learn how to launch JSCause, how to display pages on the web browser, how to deal with forms, how to deal with query parameters, and how to do basic file system operations, such as reading files and moving them. This tutorial assumes that you have Node.js installed in your system and that it's at least version 8. Node.js was version 14.16 at the time of producing this tutorial. Also, throughout the tutorial, we'll be using the browser's developer console. I'll be using Firefox, and the developer console can be opened by going to the menu or inspecting an element, or using a keyboard shortcut. So for instance, on a Mac, it's Option Command I, and on Windows, it's Control Shift I. Most browsers have a developer console of some sort, so be sure you know how to get there if you're using another browser. Okay, also we'll be using modern JavaScript. So things like destructuring, constant, and string interpolation will be all over. If you're not familiarized with it, I strongly suggest that you read a guide or a cheat sheet on the ES version of JavaScript. So our code is gonna look something like what I'm typing right now. Finally, we'll be using regular expressions. These are a powerful tool, but they can be tricky to understand. So if you don't know anything about them, please read a guide such as Mozilla's regexp. Once again, just as an example, code involving regexps may look like this. Remember, we try to make this tutorial as easy as to follow as possible, but in the end, it's not focused on teaching JavaScript. Rather, we're showcasing JSCause's feature here. Enjoy!